I'm going to show you guys how to make your cloudy, nasty, yellow looking headlights somewhat look like they were new again, give and take, you know, depending on the range and the condition. Results may vary, but I'm not guaranteeing you anything. This is up to you guys. And plus, we never show you how to actually do things, but if you look in the description down below, we're going to show you at least a how-to guide written by yours truly. But if you watch our video and you go ahead and try it, buying your brand new professional grade polisher, and you do something crazy and destroy it, I'm not gonna feel bad if you didn't look at least on Google to find out. That's how I had to learn. Check out YouTube. The guy called Amma, I think it's Amma NYC, he is amazing. He will show you so many detailed tricks if you are interested. So let's get straight into it. Step 1 is we're gonna have to tape up the headlight. 2 is that we're gonna get the sandpaper out, sand that guy up so it goes nice and matte, so that we can kind of correct that with the polisher. I'll leave the results to talk for themselves. Let's just jump straight into it. And by the way, before we go ahead and do that, check the Facebook link in the description. We've got a page, it used to be a page that we used a long time ago, all car related, so now it's going to be rebranded and reused as the Reloaded Motors page. So check it out, give it a like, and keep updated. Okay guys, now that's pretty much it. It may have looked like it didn't take very long to achieve the results that we did. In reality, this definitely takes longer than it looks. Even when you go on YouTube or Google and search how to, I'd give yourself an extra 30 minutes just for preparation, because in my opinion, if you take time to prepare, the results do look way better and you're not going to scratch up that carbon fiber bonnet or those bumpers that you definitely didn't want compound or sandpaper touching. And if you guys are interested in what products we use to achieve the results that we did, bear in mind these do look 10 times better. I'm going to leave them down in the description. Just check that out. There'll be links to Amazon or eBay or some kind of Wilco shop, I don't know. And if this is the first time you guys have actually seen these videos, click the subscribe button if that's something that you're into. We're almost at 2,000 likes, which is a huge milestone for us. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you thought we could do it better, and as always guys, I will catch you on the next one. Blah.